Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get DNA test filter on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile icon on top left corner to add a story. Now tap on the filters on the right hand side and search for DNA test here. If you don't find the filter here, then at the bottom of the screen you will see the filter name and who it is from. Now all you have to do is tap on that filter name. Now tap on Browse Effects. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Then type in DNA test. And here you will see the results. Now select the filter you like. From here you can save the effect, send it to your friend, and if you want to try it out then tap on Try It on bottom left corner. And that's how you can get the DNA test filter on Instagram. So if this video helped you out then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.